Hi there, Mark D, CutRock'R here. Today, well, I didn't want to miss the bus. After watching so many other channels running heavyweight buses of late, I think I'd better not miss the bus. Let's see how we go. Not many buses to choose from around here, so this Aussie bus company, well, we'll just have to see if it's up to the mark. The unlubed speed test. A couple of heavyweights. So I thought most people know what a Claire runs like. This isn't one of the fastest Claires, but it's not a bad runner, so you'll get to see where the bus is. Yeah. So the bus runs a competent time, but nowhere near elite for a heavyweight casting. Though this Majorette bus, I dare say there'd be faster ones out there. It has a very bad janky front wheel. So if it was a good wheel, yeah, I reckon it could definitely go a bit faster. Before you say Majorette, this casting does not have those typical Majorette wheels you see nowadays. These are more like Hot Wheels wheels. You know, there isn't that raised flat area and tread either side of the wheel. So it is narrow. I'll show you it down here. But with being a six-wheeler, it is quite reasonably stable on the track. So yeah, look, if you're into racing buses, I don't know, you could definitely, if you got it at the right price, you could definitely get a quick one. But I don't think this will be it. Yeah, with that front wheel, I think that's a bit shot. Anyway, cheers all.